Hey there, welcome back to this video. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can add Google Tag Manager code in Wordpress. So first go to Wordpress dashboard and then on the left panel hover over the plugins, click on the add new plugin. Now go to search, here search for header footer code manager and this is the plugin. Just click on install now and then activate. Now on the bottom left corner click on the HFCM. Now on the top, click on add new snippet. Snippet name, here write a snippet name like GTM tag code. Snippet type, select JavaScript. Site display, site-wide. Location, header. And then status, make sure it's active. Now snippet code, here you need to enter the snippet code. So let's select the snippet code. Go to your Google Tag Manager and then click on this ID. Now copy the code, just click on copy and go back to WordPress, paste it here. Now scroll down and then click on save and there you go. Now let's check. Click on preview, enter your domain name and then click on connect. So we have successfully connected. So that's how you can do that. Hope that this video helped you out. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.